Rico, which actually first was located in Old San Juan. By the way, you have a great view of Old San Juan to the right side. Then moving to its current location in Canaña in 1958. And our grounds here consist of 127 acres of land, which formerly was a swamp. Now, an interesting detail though is that Bacardi bought his lands back in 1936 for just $1. And later in the 1940s, the Navy needed to make a drainage in the harbor, so Bacardi convinced the Navy that all the soil they removed from the harbor was dumped in here so they could fill the swamp and start the construction of the distillery. As well, you notice we have two wind turbines. Those were installed in March of 2010. And Bacardi was the first company in Puerto Rico to install this type of energy saving system. Setting an example, making a bold statement with our commitment to the environment. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you look to your left, you can see the pavilion where it first started. And if you look carefully, it resembles an attractive shape of a dead fly that was designed by a Spanish architect, Felix Cadena, and was inaugurated in 1962 for the 100th anniversary of the company. And here to the right, you can see our executive offices. Many people ask if the Bacardi family members working at the company. Well, you know, the answer is yes. There are around 500 members of the family around the world. They are now in the 6th and 7th generation. Now, the next small building to the right, that's the Bacardi Family Museum. Inside, we have some small barrels belonging to the Bacardi family years. And the barrels used to be filled with a special rum that he had 23 years of age. The rum was made in 2012 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of the company. And the building you can see in the right corner, those are new blending facilities, which our master blender, Mr. Joe Gomez, mixes different blends with the distillates we have around here to make the rums that we know. Now, an interesting detail is that Bacardi Puerto Rico produces around 85% of the Bacardi rum that is sold worldwide. The other 15% is produced in Mexico. Also, to the right between the buildings, you have a chance to see our distillation columns. We have 5 of them, and those are made of stainless steel and copper. And this tall building to the right with the Bacardi on top, that's the main building of the distillery. Works 24/7, and in conjunction with the distillation towers, we're able to produce around 1,700 gallons of alcohol daily. It was inaugurated in 1958 and baptized by the then Governor of Puerto Rico, Luis Muñoz Marin, as the Cathedral of Rum. Now here you can see the crane, machinery, also the red and black crane. Those were basically used around the late 19th century and the first half of the 20th century to transport the sugarcane from the fields to the sugar fields. And just in case you never seen the sugarcane before, the green plant you see around looks like a long grass. That's the sugarcane. And the light blue tanks you see to the right, those are the fermentation tanks, which is the first step of the rum making process. We have 20 of them. Each one has a capacity for 50,000 gallons. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're arriving at the Bacardi Visitor Center, where you will learn more about the past, present, and future of the company.